at YouTube channel now. Okay, Afrin, please recite the doa for this morning. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa yusir.
Alaina. Azhar. Afrin. Seperti dulu ni. Sekejap kita ada apa masalah internet sikit pagi ni. Sorry sekejap. Tadi dah elok dah. Tiba-tiba. Sekejap ya. Lambat pula. Kenapa tak tahu sekejap. Aduh, ya Allah. Mudahkanlah. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Sekejap ya. Cik kena exit sekejap screen. Sorry. Okay. Sebab pagi ni tadi okay line teacher. Lepas connect dengan Telegram tadi tu. Sekejap ya. Okay. Sekali lagi. Patutnya tak ada masalah lah. Teacher tukar plan plan internet baru. So tengah cuba yang baru ni. Tu yang try and error lah. Memang banyak error lah plan baru ni. So tengah mencari lagi. Okay. Hai Rohani Baharum. Siapa ya? Ni. Okay Zat. Teacher tengah. Okay. Dah boleh dah share screen. Okay, now kita akan sambung dengan we will continue our previous topic. Okay. Sebelum tu kita tak dengar suara. Okay, class, can you hear my voice now? Boleh dengar suara teacher? Okay, Alhamdulillah kita akan sambung. Okay, kita akan sambung kelas kita. I'm Nabila. Okay, Nabila. Okay, Nabila guna mak punya ni ya. Okay. So now we will proceed to our previous topic. Okay, sebelum tu, did you have any problem with our previous activities? Ada tak masalah dengan aktiviti yang sebelum ni? Ada? Kalau ada kita nak discuss dulu.
Tak ada.
Betul tak ada Boleh buat ke? Kita discuss sikit soalan modul. Teacher suruh buat modul kan? Kelas? Kelas, teacher tak dengar suara. Respond please. Boleh dengar ke ni? Kelas, where are you? I can't hear you. Mana ni? Anak-anak murid ni. Boleh dengar tak suara teacher? Kelas, where are you? Teacher tak dengar ni. Gini speaking, but I can't hear you, your voice. Hello, Assalamualaikum. We have 13 participants. Okay, thank you for attend our class for this morning. Terima kasih banyak-banyak sebab sudi hadir dan masih kuat untuk hadir ke kelas. Okay, Alhamdulillah kita dah masuk Oktober. Okay, now we are entering October. So, kita dah berada di 4th of October for this morning. So, kita sepatutnya dah belajar banyak dah. Okay, dah belajar banyak dah. So, ada masalah tak untuk our previous activity? Boleh dengar tak ni? Sekejap. Wait, try going to streams. Teacher, I hear you, but teacher didn't hear me. Oh, okay. Okay, now can you hear me? Okay. Kalau boleh, siapa yang, okay macam ni. Kalau kamu tengok teacher melalui YouTube channel, memang kalau kamu respon teacher tak dengar. Tetapi kalau boleh, teacher, kalau boleh lah kan, kalau tak boleh tak apa. Okay, kalau boleh, siapa yang ada 2 peranti, okay, satu dengar teacher dekat Telegram, okay, satu boleh tengok kita punya, ni dekat apa-apa yang teacher terang tu boleh tengok dekat streaming lah. Okay, bukan sebab apa, sebab teacher nak dengar respon kamu. Kalau tak pun kamu boleh type dekat YouTube channel tu, boleh type terus pun boleh kan. Kalau kata kamu nak tengok dekat streaming saja, kamu boleh komen dekat streaming. Okay, kalau kamu tak sempat nak tengok kat streaming, kamu boleh komen dekat Telegram. Macam mana pun tak apa, sebab teacher suka streaming bukan sebab apa, terus video tu dah upload ke YouTube. Jadi siapa yang tak dapat hadir secara offline pagi ni, online pagi ni, dia boleh tonton secara offline. So tak ada masalah. Boleh je chat dengan teacher dekat situ. Nampak je kan? Hai Nabila, hai. Teacher boleh respon je. Okay, sempat respon. So untuk pagi ni, siapa yang boleh respon, tolong respon teacher lah ya. Okay, our previous activities, ada masalah tak? Munggudan, teacher tak dengar suara. Ada masalah? Teacher tak boleh dengar suara kamu ni dekat Telegram. Kenapa? Masalah
Ya.
Baru boleh dengar. Ya, Munggudan. Okay, tak ada masalah betul ni. So, kita proceed terus Boleh kita proceed? Kalau nak bincang, kita bincang dulu soalan. Kita bincang dulu lah. Kamu ni teacher tak berapa yakin lah kamu. Kamu faham ke tak ni? Anyone? Low shouting? Are you okay? Buat tak latihan minggu lepas? Teacher, we can't hear your voice at VC. Hi, I'm Ryan. Hi, Ryan. Okay, boleh dengar? Suara teacher. Teacher tak dengar. Tadi dengar dah suara Munggudan. Mesti tak dengar. Sharifah? Oh, okay, it's okay lah. Teacher teruskan. Kita buat perbincangan dulu mengenai kalau apa-apa type je lah. Sebab teacher tak boleh dengar respon kamu. So tak apalah, kamu type je. Kamu boleh type terus. Your mic isn't working. Mic teacher tak ada masalah sebenarnya. Okay, teacher tak. Teacher dah mute and unmute dah. Tak ada masalah pun. Okay, now can you hear my? Suara teacher saya boleh dengar tapi teacher tak boleh. Okay. Selalu tak ada masalah pun. Bila kelas kamu ada je masalah tu. Teacher 5B kelas 6 tahun 3 pun tak ada masalah. Okay, now can you hear my voice at VC? Boleh dengar suara teacher tak kat VC? Yes, I can hear your sound. Okay, so now, okay.
I can hear your voice too.
Okay, so now, previous activity ada masalah tak? Previous activity ada masalah tak? Our previous activity. Class, our previous activity ada masalah ke tak? Oh my god, what happened? Cik kena tukar Sekejap. Wi-Fi. Second. Okay, now we proceed to our topic for this morning, which is solve the problem. Okay, solve the problem. Please enter your textbook page 211. 211. Okay, can you hear my voice now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, solve the problem. The picture shows a square-shaped cow farm.
I can't hear your voice.
Zaini wants to build a fence around the farm. The length of one side of the fence is 16 meters. What is the total length of the fence? The total length of the fence. Okay, class. If the questions ask you the total length of the fence, what teacher kat YouTube live PC jadi hitam. It's okay. Okay, just ignore the VC. Okay. Okay, class, what is the total length of the fence? Okay, if the questions ask you to find the total length, okay, first and foremost, okay, do you remember the formula of UPSC? UPSC. Do you remember the formula of UPSC? Do you remember the formula of UPSC? Anyone? What's the meaning of U? Apa maksud U? U, when you want to solve the problem, teacher kata sebelum ni you must remember UPSC formula. Okay. U stand for apa maksud U? Class, what's the meaning of U? Okay, what's the meaning of U? Anyone can answer? U stand for understand the problem. Understand the problem. Understand the problem. Okay, P stand for plan the strategy. How you want to solve the questions. Okay, plan the strategy. Okay, and then S, you try to solve the problem. Try to solve the problem. And then C, you need to check the answer whether it is correct or not. Okay, you need to check the answer. Okay, very good. So now, the picture shows a square shaped cow farm. Okay, what's the meaning of a square shaped cow farm? Okay, this is square shaped cow farm. Okay, this is the meaning of square shaped cow farm. Okay. Class, can you hear my voice at VC? Can you hear my voice? Where is teacher? So the mic must have been only working for the stream then. No, I didn't mix up my... Okay. I hope you can hear my voice. We are updating the data. Okay, now UPSC, understand the problem, plan strategy, solve the problem. And then after that, you need to check your answer. So now, what is the total length of the fence? Okay, the total length means, apa maksud total length here? What's the meaning of the total length in these questions? Anyone? What's the meaning of total length of the fence here? Apa maksud total length of the fence? Apa dia, Ibrahim?
Jumlah panjang.
Ya, jumlah panjang. Actually, apa yang dia nak suruh cari? The total length means for apa dia? Apa dia? The total length, apa maksud? Apa maksud tersirat yang total length tu sebenarnya? Betul, jumlah panjang, betul. Kita tak kata salah. Tapi apa maksud tersirat dekat situ? What is the total length of the fence? Apa yang dia suruh cari sebenarnya? Actually, what the questions need ask you to find?
Area.
Not area. Area, the questions for B. Area total length ke? Area total length ke, kelas? What is the total length? Total length. Teacher kata sisi tu tambah dengan sisi tu, tambah dengan sisi tu, tambah dengan sisi tu. Total maksud dia tambah jumlah. Jumlah means that for additions, tambah. Okay, total means for additions. Kan, maksudnya kita tambah. That is meaning for total length. Itu maksud dia jumlah setiap panjang. Itu maksud dia. So, apa yang dia suruh cari sebenarnya? From these questions, what the questions ask you to find? What the question ask you to find, class? What is the total length? Apa yang question soalan ni minta sebenarnya? The questions ask you to find, suruh cari apa? Suruh cari apa? Total length. Kelas, siapa boleh? Afrin, apa dia Afrin? Total length. Kita tak dengar. Pada Afrin? Panjang? Apa dia? The total length here means, okay, kita bagi clue lah. Start from P. Anyone? Start with P. Apa dia? Anyone? Start with P and then seorang tak tahu. P. I am using YouTube. Is it just me or voice is breaking up? Okay, P. Okay, siapa tahu cepat? What's the answer for this? Total length. Apa yang dia suruh cari? What's the question to ask you to solve actually? What the questions ask you? I'm pretty sure it's my... I will try. I think it's just you. Yeah. Okay, class. What the questions ask you to find? Please, someone? Anyone?
Teacher, they asked us to find the total length of the...
Yes. What's the meaning of the total length actually?
Jumlah panjang.
No.
Perimeter.
Yes, thank you, Lex. Yes, the answer is perimeter. The questions ask you to find perimeter. Thank you, Lex. Okay, so the questions ask you to find perimeter means that dia nak cari, yes, this. You need to do the summations of this side with this side, and this side. That is the questions ask you to solve. Okay, first and foremost, you need to understand the problem. And then after that, you need to plan the strategy. So, what the strategy you supposedly to do? Now, apa yang kamu perlu buat? Now, after you know that total length is perimeter, lepas tu apa yang perlu kamu buat? Okay, the question give you the clue here. The length of one side of the fan is 16 meter. Is 16 meter. So if here is 60 meter, so for each side, because this is a square, they have the same length for each side. So for each side, they have 16 meter length. So how you want to calculate? You need to do the additions of perimeter equal to 16 meter plus 16 meter plus 16 meter plus 16 meter. Or you may do 16 meter times with 4, which is you may get 64 meter. 64 meter. Okay, for this perimeter. And this also you get the same answer, which is 64 meter. Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay, this is the way how to find total length. Okay, itu adalah cara macam mana nak cari perimeter. Okay, perimeter adalah jumlah ukur keliling ataupun jumlah panjang setiap sisi-sisi, or the total length for each side. Okay, the total length for each side. Okay, so sekarang masalah yang Zaini nak adalah Zaini wants to build a fence around the farm. Okay, Zaini ni dia nak bina pagar, a fence, pagar sekitar farm, kebun. Okay, so the length of one side, dia kata satu panjang sisi pagar itu adalah 16 meter. So dia ada 4 side. So because of that, 16 meter we times with 4. Okay, or we do the calculations for perimeter, which is 16 meter plus 16 meter plus 16 meter plus 16 meter equal to 64 meter. Are you clear with that, class? Okay, I hope so. So now, after you plan the strategy and then you try to solve the questions. Okay, so now we are this step. Okay, kita dekat sini ya. Okay, sorry. We are at the at this step 64 meter, and then how to check? How to check? Okay, if you want to check the answer, you need to whether you do the the additions for solve the question, so you may check by using multiplications. Okay, which is you can do 16 times with 4. Okay, so we proceed to questions B. Are you clear with the solutions of 1A? Are you clear with that? Do you have any questions to ask, class? I can see Lex typing something. It's too long. Okay, anyone? Ada siapa-siapa nak tanya? It's okay, you may use bahasa if you comfort with bahasa, you also may ask me in bahasa. Jangan takut lah. Okay? Jangan takut. Boleh tanya. Okay. Okay, kita tengah belajar sekarang, so jangan takut. Okay, kamu boleh guna bahasa, kamu nak guna bahasa Melayu boleh, bahasa Inggeris boleh. Tapi kamu kena faham. Okay, what the questions ask you to do. Kamu kena faham itu. 16 times 16. Oh, yang tu times tu area. Satgi. Okay, Lex, wait. So now calculate the area. Okay, as I told you before you solve the problem, you need to use UPSC formula, which is U stand for understand the problem first, and then P, you need to plan the strategy, S, you need to solve the problem. Okay, after you understand and you plan, and then after that, the last part, you need to check the answer, okay, whether correct or not. So now, for area, area. What the formula for area? How to calculate the area actually? Okay, anyone? Siapa yang tahu formula of area? Formula of area. How to find the area, class? Macam mana nak cari area? Class? How?
Teacher,
Yeah.
I know how to find the area.
Yes, what the formula of area? Let's.
16 times 16.
The formula, yeah? The formula. How? The formula first. How to find the area?
That's 10 baseline.
That is the area for triangle. This is how to find the area of square. You need to know the length and the width. Yeah.
You got to find
Length.
You find the 16 cm times 16 cm. Then you'll get the area, which is 256.
Yes. But I ask you the formula first before we solve the questions. Lex, can you understand mine? I ask you the formula how to calculate the area. The formula to calculate the area is the length times with the width. Okay, are you clear with that, Lex? I know you know how to calculate the area, but my questions now is the formula how to calculate the area. Okay, the formula to calculate the area is length times width. Panjang darab lebar. Okay, for this square, panjang dan lebar is the same length, which is 16 meter. So because of that, you times 16 meter with 16 meter. So you will get 256 square of meter. Because of that, let's get 256 square meter. Okay, you must take the unit. Okay, mesti tulis unit. Okay, meter square or square meter tu mesti kena tulis. Okay, so the answer is 256 square meter. So this is the way how to find the area. Okay, the area adalah panjang darab lebar, which is length times width. Disebabkan square segi empat sama, disebabkan segi empat sama mempunyai panjang dan lebar yang sama panjang. Okay, because square have the same length for each side, so the length and the width have the same value. So which is 16 meter. Okay, kena faham tu. Kenapa 16 meter time with 16 meter. Okay. So now, are you clear with that? Boleh faham tak? Boleh faham tak? Okay, so kalau boleh faham teacher nak proceed. Okay, kalau perlu ulang bagi tahu. Okay. So the total length of the fence is 64. Okay, the total length which is the perimeter. The total length is the perimeter of the fence. Okay, perimeter tadi dia nak buat pagar kan? Jadi ukur keliling dia punya kebun 64 meter. The total length of the fence is 64 meter. Jadi pagar yang dia perlu bina, panjang dia adalah 64 meter. So the area of the cow farm, the area adalah keluasan. Dia nak tahu luas. Berapa luas dia punya kebun tu. Okay, dia punya kebun tu nak tahu berapa luas. Sebab tu kita darabkan lebar dan panjang dia tadi, which is 256 square meter. Okay, itu adalah luas. Okay, perimeter sekiranya kita nak buat pagar tadi kan, ukur keliling. Okay, luas di dalam. Okay, keluasan kebun itu. Kamu kena faham perbezaan dengan perimeter dan area. Okay, kena faham benda tu. So now we proceed to second example here. Okay, masih solve the problem. Still, we need to solve the problem. Okay, look at the second example here. David arranged Rubik's cubes with the size of 4 centimeter into a box as shown in the picture. How many Rubik's cubes can be placed in the box? Okay. Again, I ask you to read the questions for 3 times. Kita baca soalan sebanyak 3 kali baru kita betul-betul can really understand the questions. Okay? David arranged Rubik's cube with the size of 4 centimeter into a box as shown in the picture. Okay. How many Rubik's cubes can be placed in the box? Okay, this is the box. Okay. Sekali lagi kita baca. Okay, once again. David arranged. David susun. Rubik's cubes. Okay, cubes. Rubik's cube. Ni tahu tak? Ni. This one is we call Rubik's cube. Okay. Cube Rubik tu with the side of 4 cm. Di mana Rubik cube ni kita tahu ini adalah sisi-sisi, dia mempunyai sisi-sisi yang sama, sebab tu dia sebut 4 cm sahaja, which is they have the same length for each side. Dia semua sisi-sisi dia mempunyai sisi yang sama sebab bentuk asas dia adalah square. Okay, cube bentuk asas dia adalah square. So, dia kata with the side of 4 cm into a box, ke dalam kotak yang besar ini. As shown in the picture. Seperti ditunjukkan di dalam gambar. Okay, as shown in the picture. Okay, how many Rubik's cubes can be placed in the box? Dia kata berapa banyak Rubik cube ini boleh disusun di dalam kotak yang besar ini. How many Rubik's cubes can be placed in the box? Okay, itu soalan nak. Okay, teacher cakap tadi, okay, kalau soalan solve the problems or problem solving, okay, can you need to remember UPSC. Okay, UPSC, which is first you need to understand the problem, plan the strategy, solve the problem, and then check your answer. Okay, first we already understand the questions. Kita dah faham soalan. So now, second step, which is we want to plan the strategy. Kita nak plan macam mana kita nak solve these questions. Okay, first kita tahu this side for each side have 4 cm. Okay, so kotak besar ni kita tak tahu. Kita tahu panjang dia, okay, the height 8 cm, the width 12 cm, and the length is 16 cm. So now, we need to plan the strategy, which is we need to know the volume, okay, the volume of the box. Okay, kita kena tahu volume of the box yang besar ni dulu, okay. Volume of the box yang besar ni, macam how to calculate the volume class. Volume, okay, what the formula of volume? The formula of volume is length time with width. Sama juga panjang darab lebar tadi, length time with width, tapi kita darab satu lagi. Sebab untuk volume ni isi padu, ruang yang kita nak isi. Okay, ni isi padu ni dalam dia tu. Okay, berapa dia punya isi padu? Okay, isi padu ada wujud tinggi. Okay, we can see height here. Okay, length time width time height. Dia ada tinggi. Okay, dia ada tinggi. Length time width time height. Okay, length kita tahu 16 meter. Time with width. Width kita tahu 12 meter. And height, centimeter. Okay, centimeter. And height 8 centimeter. So we need to times centimeter time with 12 centimeter time with 8 centimeter, and then we will get the volume of the box is 1536 centimeter cubic, it's cubic centimeter. Okay, dan centimeter kuasa 3. Kita boleh tengok dekat sini. Volume of the box. Okay, kita dah dapat dah volume of the box. Sekarang ni kita kena cari pula isi padu untuk Rubik. So now we need to find the volume of Rubik's cubes. Okay, tadi kita tahu sisi Rubik's cube adalah 4 cm untuk satu. Sama juga. Volume adalah length time width time height. Length time width time height. Panjang darab lebar darab tinggi. So sekarang 4 cm we times with 4 cm we times with 4 cm, which is kita akan dapat 64 cubic centimeter. Okay, 64 cm kuasa 3. Okay, so now sekarang ni macam mana kita nak tahu berapa cubic Rubik cube yang kita boleh isi ke dalam kotak yang besar tu. So now what we supposed to do, we need to divide. Okay, divide the volume of Rubik cube tu, kita bahagikan dengan isi padu kotak yang besar tu lah. Okay, baru kita dapat jumlah berapa banyak Rubik cube yang kita boleh isi. Lagging? What is lagging? Apa yang lagging sekarang? Lagging ke? Tak apa, nanti boleh tengok semula, okay? Okay, so now 1536, okay, we divide by 64 and then we will get 24. Okay, we will get 24. So the number of Rubik's cubes is 24. Okay, are you clear with that? Teacher, volume for me became smaller. Okay, it's okay, became smaller. Macam-macam lah kamu ni, kelas kamu. Kelas teacher heran tau. Kelas tahun 5, tahun 6, tahun 3. Tahun 3 teacher ada 2 hari dengan mereka. Tak ada masalah pun. Kelas kamu macam-macam. Okay dah. Okay, so sekarang kita tengok ni. Teacher nak buat ni sikit sebab teacher nak masuk kelas tahun 5. I can't hear you clearly. It's okay. Nanti boleh tengok rakaman, okay, dekat YouTube. Okay. Zura used 240 cm of black lace to decorate a square tablecloth. Okay, tengok sini. Zura used 240 cm of black lace. Dia kata dia menggunakan lace hitam, okay, to decorate, untuk hias a square tablecloth, untuk hias dia punya pelapik meja, okay, yang bentuk 4 segi. Okay, so dia tanya, how long in centimeter is each side of the tablecloth? Yang ni terbalik pula. Dia tanya cc. Okay, so sekarang senang saja sebenarnya. Dia kata dia decorate macam ni. Okay, look at here. Okay, square kan? Tengok square. Bentuk dia square. Tablecloth tu bentuk dia square. Dia kata Zura guna 240 cm. Bermaksud semua sisi-sisi ni jumlah dia adalah 240 cm. So sekarang dia minta berapa panjang. Okay, how long in centimeter each side of the tablecloth? Satu sisi. Dia minta satu sisi berapa panjang. So sekarang kita tahu ada 4 sisi. So 240 cm we divide by 4 and then kita tahu satu sisi adalah 60 cm. Okay. Calculate the surface area. Okay ke? Siapa bunyi apa tu?
Yes.
Okay kan? Okay, so calculate the surface area of the tablecloth in square centimeter. Dia kata calculate the surface area. Surface area bermaksud luas permukaan. Luas permukaan. Okay, luas permukaan untuk tablecloth bermaksud the area lah. Area equal to length time width. Panjang darab lebar. Kita tahu satu panjang adalah 60 cm. So width dia pun 60 cm because this is a square. Okay, bentuk square kita tahu sisi square adalah mempunyai panjang yang sama. So equal to 60 times 60 equal to 3600. Okay, we will get 3600 square of centimeter. The surface area of the tablecloth is 3600 square centimeter. Okay, so 8 cubes in a cuboid shaped box. Lai Fong arranged 48 cubes in a cuboid shaped box. Okay, bila disebut cuboid, you need to imagine cuboid shape. Kena ada imajinasi. Okay, this is cuboid shape. The length of each side of the cubes. Okay, dia kata Lai Fong arranged 48 cubes in a cuboid shaped box. Okay, the length of each side. Okay, ni dia kata dia susun 48 cube ke dalam cuboid shape. Okay, so now what is the volume of the cuboid shaped box in cubic centimeter? Dia kata the length of each side of cubes is 3 cm. Jadinya kita cari dulu sama macam soalan tadi. Okay, we find the volume of cube. Okay, volume of cubes equal to length times width times height. Panjang darab lebar darab tinggi, which is 3 cm times 3 cm times 3 cm. Okay, equal to 27 cubic centimeter. Okay, we will get the volume of cube is 27 cubic centimeter. So now the questions ask you what is the volume. Okay, volume of cuboid shape. Okay, sekarang ni dia bagi clue kat sini. Lai Fong arrange 48 cube. Lai Fong menyusun 48 cube. 48 cube. So now kita tahu dah satu volume, a cubes, the volume of cubes, okay, for one cube is 27 cubic centimeter. So now we need to times with 48 lah. Okay, so 48 cube times with 27. So you will get the volume of cuboid shaped box. Okay, are you clear with that? Apa dia masalah kamu? I can hear you clearly. Aduh, hai. Sedih lah tengok. Macam kamu. Tak apalah. Yang mana dapat lah. Kalau tak dapat, kamu ulang lah. Tengok balik dekat YouTube. Okay, so you will get 1296 cubic centimeter. Okay, kamu akan dapat 1296 cubic of centimeter, which is the volume of the cuboid shaped box. Okay, lebih kurang soalan yang tadi juga, yang ni lebih kurang soalan ni. Tapi soalan ni, but this question asks you to find how many Rubik's cube. But this question give you the number of cubic cube that can fulfill into cuboid shaped box. So now here this question asks you to find the volume of cuboid shape yang dia isi tu. Ini dia beza. So teacher akan tinggalkan kamu dengan soalan sedikit soalan ni. Kamu buat dah ke soalan ni? Page 214. Semua buat dah ke? Sebab minggu depan teacher nak masuk koordinat dah. Are you done with the question page 214? Semua siap dah ke?
Yeah.
Semua dah siap?
Dah.
Okey, kalau dah siap, kita akan buat modul. Okey, modul page 89 sampai kamu boleh buat semua dah sebab kita dah habis dah. 89 sampai 99. Banyak sedikit sebab seminggu sekali je kita jumpa. 89 until 99. Modul 89 until 99. Okey, mungkin tak tahulah kelas mana, mungkin minggu depan ke. Tak apa kita buat. Okey, modul 89 until 99. Siapa yang belum siap textbook page? Okay, textbook page 214. Boleh buat Okay. Kalau ada masalah, tolong tanda. Tak apa. Kalau tak tanya pun tak apa. Okay, tanda. Lepas tu nanti minggu depan kita bincang. Okay. Sepatutnya kita dah sepatutnya dah siap lah page 214 sebab minggu lepas kita dah suruh buat. Sepatutnya hari ni kita bincang dah. Tadi kamu tak nak bincang. Okay, kita bincang minggu depan lah. Okay lah. So tolong tinggalkan sedikit komen. Tak apa kamu komen lah. Apa internet tak okey ke apa pun tak apa. Tak dengar suara ke kurang jelas. Apa-apalah kamu nak komen tak apa. Teacher tak marah pun. Kamu boleh komen dekat Padlet. Okay. Mana kita punya link Padlet? Sekejap teacher cari link Padlet. Ini pula link Padlet. Ini link Padlet lah kamu. Tak apa je. Kamu nak komen apa pun boleh komen. Untuk kelas hari ni. Okay, bye. Amboi, belum apa-apa lagi dah bye dah. Okay dah. Thank you. For your cooperations. Okay, until we meet again for next week.